In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Primogems in Genshin Impact. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Genshin Impact is primarily a gacha game, which means that to get new characters and different weapons, you will have to do it through the Wish system. When you pause the game and you go over to Wish, you can see the amount of Primogems that you have, and you can spend them on different banners. So primarily, this is going to be the main usage of Primogems. You can use them for other alternative functions, for example, replenishing your stamina, but of course this is not recommended. The value that you get out of this does not compare to the value of pulling new units. Every update, there will most likely be one new character, so in this example here it is Flynn's, and a rerun of a past character. In this example, Yelan. You will have a weapon banner featuring weapons, and finally you have the permanent banner, so the standard wish. You can spend Primogem on any of these banners, but it is not recommended to spend on the standard wish because periodically they will give you these items, Acquaint Fates, that allow you to pull on this banner without using your Primogems. So in general, if you want to be effective using your Primogems, you should choose one of these banners here for limited characters. They will come and go periodically, and then all that you have to do is choose one of these banners, click on the option to wish. It is going to tell you if you need to purchase the fates, and if you do, you just confirm the Primogems will be spent, and you will do a pull. So in this example, I spent 160 Primogems and I got this weapon alongside some Stardust. You can then go into the shop and spend your Stardust here. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.